You know what time it is, people. Okay, let's do this. So the motor was held on by zip ties, so it wouldn't really go. Drilled into it, so now it should work. I'm zooming right now. Yeah, I really want to thank you guys for being patient. It took about a month to build, and I barely have any brakes, but yeah, we're gonna do a little top speed run. Downhill, okay. So it tops off at around like 40, 41. Does not go 42 with my weight on it. Lied about that. Okay, we're doing a little bike shot right here. Got the motor there. Okay, here we go. I look really dumb on it. Yeah, I don't know if you can hear it, but when you hit the throttle, it has to like kick in. Here, listen. And then it gives you more power. Okay, a little uphill right here. My watch says I'm going 35. And the motor cut out, W. We're back. My throttle wire came undone. Yeah, I'm going 30 right now uphill. 32. Okay. 35. 38. I really want to thank you all for the support you guys gave me with building the bike. And yeah, the build was only 300 total for a 40-mile-an-hour bike, which is not bad. Okay, we got the oh yeah, that's hard. Okay, we have the 3 switch. Here, I'll show you. This is the high speed. Don't fall. Okay. High speed is this one. Middle gear. And then the slow one. Oh, and I also have a neutral, if you were wondering. Yeah, neutral gear on your bike. So you got neutral, W. The charger goes right there, but I don't know where it went. W. And the battery is a 48 volt, only 10 amp hour though, and it puts out 54 volts. Right, I'm gonna try catching up to that car. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Please follow for more.